Don't even think about it, buddy. You've gotten your flowers and chocolates the last 6 Valentine's days.
Whoa, geez, what's wrong with that?
You gotta heat things up. What you need is a city bonfire. Picture this. She arrives home, rose petals on the floor, leading her outside, and there it is. You with the world's first mini portable bonfire and a s'mores kit. She'll be so impressed. The best part is that it's super easy to set up. Just light the wicks and you're good to cozy up next to the fire. The s'mores kit also comes with everything you'll need so you don't have to worry about getting supplies at the store. The city bonfire will last up to 4 hours, but if you two are ready to move the party inside early, just pop the lid on and extinguish it and save it for another time.
Wow, that does sound like a way better evening than what I had planned. All right, I choose the city bonfire. Thanks, Cupid. Wait a second. Did city bonfires pay you to say all that?
Huh, would you look at that? I guess I gotta go save another schmuck. See you later.